Have you wanted to know how to decrease your appetite and increase your metabolism and do it all naturally? Today, I can't wait to be talking to you about metabolic health. Here are just a few of the things that we can use metabolic health for. Metabolic health helps in so many of our body systems. In fact, this is enough of a list that you can say it helps with almost all parts of our body systems. We know that our metabolic health is foundationally important. And I can't wait to start teaching you a little bit about how we can start burning belly fat and increase our metabolism. Let me show you this little pack that we've fallen in love with. It is the MetaPWR metabolic system. So it has 3 steps. I'm gonna go through all 3 steps with you. The first step is the oil, and the MetaPWR oil helps with fat cell inhibitors, okay? So what they've done is they've figured out what essential oils are the very most powerful to teach a fat cell to release fat molecules out of it and to reteach it until that fat cell learns to release the fat molecules. Okay, this little baby, this MetaPWR oil is powerful. One of my favorite ways to use this oil is I like to use it topically. I get this little bottle like this, and it's a pump bottle, and I've put fractionated coconut oil in here, and then I'm gonna put a half of a bottle or almost a full bottle of MetaPWR. Sometimes I just do a half. Then I shake it up every time I get out of the bath or shower. I'm gonna be using that on my problem areas, right? And it's really gonna smooth out your skin. You'll see a difference in 4 to 6 weeks. So that's one of my favorite ways. You can also put this directly in your drinking water. Put it about 3 to 5 drops in your drinking water, maybe 3 times a day, and drink that down. Now, some of us don't love the taste. I love it. I think it has maybe an acquired taste, but once you acquire that taste, you're gonna love having MetaPWR in your water. But for those of us that want a really simple way but don't even want to taste it, then you're gonna go with the MetaPWR soft gels. Now, if you're really just wanting to maintain your weight, then you're gonna maybe wanna just take 1 or 2 of these a day, in the morning and maybe at night. But if you're really wanting to vamp it up and you're like, no, I want to get on top of my weight, I want to lose some weight, I want to teach these fat cells how to lose it, then you're going to want to take about 4 or 5 of these soft gels throughout the day. Okay, just throughout the day, keep reminding those fat cells to release those fat molecules. Okay, there's also the little beadlets, and these beadlets are perfect for if you're going out and about and you want to just have them in your purse. Or I keep them in my pants pocket sometimes, and I'll just be like, oh, I'm going to just pop a few of those. You can just swallow those right down. If you pop it in your mouth though, it's actually going to help you suppress appetite. And so as long as you have it in your mouth or on your tongue or on your lips, it makes your body not crave sugar. So just imagine one day you're walking through the kitchen and there's that donut or that brownie that's sitting there on that countertop, and you're like, ooh, I really want to eat that. But then you pop that in your mouth and all of a sudden, nope, you don't want to. If you can do that same thing with the oil, the beadlets are great. My favorite way to suppress the appetite is, we all have our problem times, right? For me, it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not necessarily hungry, but I am munchy. My kids call this, what do they say? They say, it's not because I'm hungry, it's just because my mouth is lonely. Okay, so if my mouth is lonely, then this has been such a powerful answer for me. This is the MetaPWR gum. And this gum, you can just pop it in your mouth. It has a drop or 2 of that essential oil is actually in there. So that MetaPWR you're gonna be able to absorb that in your body as well. But the main thing, the reason why I take that gum is so it just stops the cravings in its tracks. Even if I'm hungry and I'm like, oh, I'm so hungry, I chew this gum and it just takes that hunger away. I can go for hours. Sometimes if I keep popping these in the afternoon or evening time, that's my time. Whenever it is for you, maybe it's right before you go to bed, because you do not want to be eating carbs and sugars or really anything right before you go to bed. That's when it goes right into fat, okay? So if that's your problem time, pop this in your mouth anytime after 7 or 8 p.m. Stay away from food, okay? Love that product. Okay, that's all of those products are step 1. So we have the oil, we have the soft gels, easy way to take it internally. We have the beadlets and the gum, okay? So that's step 1.